Guys, we need to re-record everything I just said because I filmed it all in slow motion without any audio. So ready, steady, go! Great. Anyways, Starvation Gulch is this tradition here at Fairbanks where basically it's a giant bonfire. So yeah, it should be really, really cool. I'm going to fly my drone, get some cool shots. Hope you guys enjoy.
I'm lost in space, floating away. At the stars, they find me. You shine so bright, it haunts me. I'm lost in this thick.
I thought that was a pretty sweet tradition that Fairbanks has every year. They do that every year. They've been doing that for, I don't know. I'll show some pictures of like from the very first times when they first started doing it. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog, and if you did, leave a like, and I'll see you guys next time.